All the seats are here, are down there, but we have not managed even to remove the chairs from there. This is the situation we are now. Okay. And it was buried down there. We don't know which way should we use to remove those ones, those chairs there.
So this is where people have to come to pray from.
Yes.
It was Jesus. It was Pentecostal Church. Pentecostal Church Kanyankei.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So everything, the pulpit, the chairs, everything is buried there.
Everything is buried there. Yes. It was a pulpit where Baptist has to stand to preach the gospel of the Lord. So you can even identify. So this is the situation.